What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you an amazing sandwich card trick. Let's get into it. Now check this out. We'll start off with the two red aces. I'll take it, leave it to the side for now. And I'll have a spectator select a card randomly. Let's just say this card. Take a look and remember, 9 of diamonds. Let's give the deck a cut. Leave the 9 of diamonds somewhere in the center. Now back to the two red aces, right? We're going to take them. And here's where the cool thing is. Here's where the cool stuff happens. I'm going to riffle to the side of the deck like this. And if we had a spectator here, I'd ask the spectator to tell me when to stop. So let's just say I'm riffling, and I'll just grab randomly. So as soon as I riffle through the pack, if the spectator says stop, I'll just come here and I'll grab one card. So here we go. So as you can see, there's one card between the two red aces, and that is the 9 of diamonds. Now this is a very quick and easy sandwich trick, and I just like using the two red aces versus the jokers because honestly I don't know why. I just like using the two red aces better. And so yeah, so we just start off with the two red aces, and we have a spectator select a card. Let's say 5 of clubs. We take the 5 of clubs, we're going to leave it right on top of the deck. And all we're going to do now is perform a false cut. I have a video on false cuts, so if you guys don't know how to do false cuts, I'll put a link on the screen, description, whatever it is. So you're just going to do a false cut, whatever kind of false cut you want to do. You just want to retain the 5 of clubs right on top of the deck. Okay, so 5 of clubs is on top. And now we're going to go back to the two red aces. Right, so we tell the spectator, we'll put your card on top, then I'll give the cards a cut. And now here we have the two red aces. Now when you're showing the two red aces to the spectator, what you're actually going to be doing is you're going to be grabbing this top card, which is the 5 of clubs, the spectator's card. So the way that I like to put the aces onto the deck is I say I have the two red aces, so I count 1, 2. This shows them that I have two red aces and I don't have any cards in between them. So I just have two red aces, 1, 2. And then when I'm picking the aces back up, here's what you have to do. I slide over 3 cards with my thumb. So 3 cards that I'm sliding over are of course the two aces and the top card of the deck. So again, I tell the spectator, I have these two red aces, 1, 2. And as I go to grab them back, I slide over 3 cards, right? 1, 2, 3. Square them up, right? Get a pinky break. And then lift this packet of 3 cards. So if you actually look, I have these 2 cards and the spectator's card that they picked. So I push that over, put the deck to the side or down here, and I'm going to peel off the top ace without separating these 2 cards and put it right behind, like right in the back of all the cards. So the cards are going to be gripped like this. You have the double card here on, double card on top, and then the other ace on the bottom. And you're going to grip the cards like this. You take your pointer finger, put it on top of this card, and your ring finger is going to go on this card here. So the action you're going to make while grabbing, while riffling to the deck, is just this. That's all you're going to be doing. Okay, so you're, for example, if you're riffling, and then you just grab like this. Okay, so we're here. We tell the spectator to call out stop, and I'll grab a card. So you're riffling, they say stop. And you want to do this very fast so they don't think, so it doesn't come out. That would look pretty stupid. So you're here, you have to do it very fast. Riffle, right in here. Just pretty much just slide these cards here so it looks like you're actually doing it. You slide it right in there, pull it out, and they'll see, the spectator's going to see there's a card in between. At this point, I like to throw the cards down and let the spectator take a look themselves. And there it is, the 5 of clubs. So that is it for this sandwich card trick. It's fairly simple to do, but it gets some amazing reactions. I'll make some more sandwich videos, so keep your eyes open for that. But that is it for this trick. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.